Hey guys, so today I am at this cute little spot in Indianapolis. It's kind of far from me, so I don't come here often, but I am going to be checking some plants and some veggie stars that I need. So let's go. I want to take you with me and show you what I get. Okay, so this place didn't really have a lot of vegetable stars left. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go somewhere else. I'm actually already here. And I'm gonna check just for vegetable stars. Checking nurseries around you guys this time of year when they have a bunch of sales on everything is dangerous, but I'm sticking to just vegetable stars. That's all I'm doing. Wish me luck. So these little guys right here are the only things that I got at the first place. I got a couple of Brussels sprouts, a mustard plant, and some collard greens. I got a bunch of these because we like them. And that's really all I got there. They didn't really have a lot left. But in the second place, I got one thing of kale because my husband likes it and he's the only one. And then I got the cutest little container for indoor. That's the only thing that I did. It was on sale. That's why I got it. That's it. It was about 57 degrees this morning, and of course for me that means that I'm freezing outside if I am doing anything in the garden. Today I got this half of the bed clean. I took the annuals that were in front, the Victoria Blue salvias. I know that they still had some life in it, but honestly I think that the mornings are going to start getting in the lows, the really lows for those annuals, so they're going to just be declining. They're not gonna have time to give me another big set of blooming time, so I am done with those. And now the bed is ready. I am going to be putting these vegetable stars that I got at my local nursery. And also I put some seeds in water last night just to give them a little bit of moisture before I put them directly in the ground. And I am going to be starting basically lettuce, carrots, cabbages, kale, some collard greens, some beets, and some sugar snap peas as well. So wish me luck. So I normally use Dr. Earth's Best for fertilizing my vegetables, but I am out and it's the end of the season, so I'm just going to use some regular Planktone from Spoma, and it's going to be fine. This right here is kale. And these three right here are collard greens. I have no clue how big they get. Like I say, I am not like a super experienced with fall vegetables. So as far as how they grow or how big they get, I know that kale can get big. That's all I know. And these are dry, so I'm going to make sure to water them really well. This right here is mustard, Savannah mustard. And these are Brussels sprouts. What in the world is that? Oh, gross. So my tomato arch, while it's doing amazing, it is definitely going to be ready to be taken down soon. Just the plants, not the arch. My plan right now is to just clean the bottom parts so that just the tomatoes are standing there and growing at least for a couple more weeks. And I am going to be cleaning the area so that I can plant some sugar snap peas, because once these tomatoes are done, I would love to grow sugar snap peas there for the cooler weather. But I do have to start them now so that the plants have time to reach maturity. Hopefully I'm not too late. So I already soaked the seeds overnight, the sugar snap peas, and hopefully I get good germination. I am definitely making them thick here, and I am going to give them a good water once I am done making this video, just to make sure that they have moisture and that they have a good chance to do what they do. A lot of these plants like marigolds and snapdragons are definitely done for the season. The snapdragons are definitely done blooming, and the marigolds, because with all of the tomatoes shading them, they didn't really do that well, and that's okay. But the two nasturtiums there on the side, on the very back, I am going to leave because they are looking amazing. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope that you enjoy it. If you have any questions or even any tips for me as far as vegetable gardens during the fall time, just let me know in the comments, and I will see you until the next time.